Keep up with the trends wearing these super cute ankle booties from Dirty Laundry. These feature a faux leather upper with stretch panels on the sides so you can get a really comfortable fit and feel. They have a really chunky block heel that'll boost you up 3.5 inches at the back. The pull tab will assist with easy entry, and these do feature a synthetic lining and textile lining with a footbed that is cushioned for comfort. These sit all on top of a really cool star-printed outsole that'll help you leave your mark wherever you go. You can style these with a faux leather skirt and a cute bodysuit for a day out with friends.